today we're going to do a quick run through of my basic maintenance. This headstone belongs in our family. This is my grandmother's mom and dad's headstone. My grandmother is actually buried here with them. We are in the process of getting full stones made for them to have at the base. But my cleaning products all start with the basis. I keep a sponge. I keep a scrubby. I have one that has a little bit rougher here and then here. You guys have all seen my more intense tools. And then a squeegee for these flat stones. I keep my sprayer full of water. And then my go-to is the D2 biological solution. When I'm just simply maintaining a headstone, this will be a quick thing. I'll spray it down, I'll let it sit for a minute or two, then I'll take my scrub brush, I'll scrub over it real quick, make sure it gets all that dust and gunk off of it. And then I go back through and I rinse it. Once the headstone's dried, I'll go back over it with the D2 solution. And at that point, this stone is ready for winter or summer or whatever we're coming into. And it'll stay that way until we come the next spring or the next winter to prepare it for the next season. So that's a pretty simple way to maintain an already clean headstone and ensure that they last a really, really long time.